Alright, so now let's learn about the paragraph element in HTML. So the paragraph element is used to represent the paragraph inside of HTML. Okay, so what I can do inside of VS Code, I can do something like lorem and hit enter. And as you can see, VS Code will generate some demo text for me. And if I just save that, as you can see, my code jumps a little bit because of prettier. So my code is now formatted properly. Okay, as you can see, it is now formatted properly. And this is a paragraph inside of HTML. As you can see, if I just go to the browser, so, okay, I'll just close it out. So as you can see, this is the paragraph which we have just written. But now, for example, I want to create another paragraph. So what I'll do, I'll just go here and do something like lorem once again and hit enter. And now if I just save, as you can see, so Prettier formats the code and joins the paragraph. So if I do something like this, okay, and do something like this, and I want to save this file without formatting. So what I can do Control Shift P and do something like save without formatting. Okay, hit enter. So my file will be saved. Now if I go to the browser, as you can see, something strange happens because my paragraph is now joined. Okay, there is no space or something like that. So how we can create a proper paragraph inside of HTML? To create a proper paragraph, what we have to do, we have to create the paragraph tags. So if I just do something like less than and then P and then the greater than symbol, as you can see, this is the paragraph tag inside of HTML, and hit enter. And what I'll do, I'll just cut it from here and paste it down here. Okay, all right, I do not want to do something like that, so paste it down here. Okay, all right, and then once again P and hit enter. So emit works properly. Okay, and here as well, I'll just cut it from here and paste it down here and hit save. So as you can see, our code is now formatted as well. And if I go to the browser, now as you can see, we have two paragraphs. So this is how we can create paragraphs inside of HTML properly. Okay, we can just add some random text, but it will not create a proper paragraph inside of HTML. To create a proper paragraph, we have to create the paragraph tags, which is this P tag, and we have to end the P tag as well. Okay, so if I just do something like this and I just save that, as you can see, okay, Prettier is doing its job. So if I just do something like this and do Control Shift P and save without formatting, now our paragraph are broken. So it works properly. Sometimes HTML thinks what it needs to do, but if I just do something like this one as well and Control Shift P and save without formatting and hit save, and as you can see, our paragraph is now in one single paragraph basically. Okay, so okay, here as well it is now in one single paragraph. So as you can see, this is what happens. Okay, so to create a proper paragraph, we have to create the proper starting tag of the paragraph element and proper ending tag of the paragraph element. So I can do something like less than and slash and then VS Code auto completes, and here I can do less than P and then greater than symbol, and I'll just get rid of that. Okay, all right, so this is the paragraph element which we use to create paragraphs inside of HTML. Okay, awesome. So this is the first proper tag which we have learned. We have seen some of the other tags as well in the previous video. We will discuss all of them one by one from now on. Okay, all right.